means crowd. Okay. Our next word is R-O-B, robe. R-O, robe. Robe means chore, thug, chore. R-O-B, robe. Robe means chore. Next one is S-O-B, soap. S-O-B, soap. S-O-B, soap. Soap means cry, means रोना. ठीक है. सोब का मीनिंग क्या होता है? क्राई मीन्स रोना. अब नेक्स्ट वर्ड इज K-N-O-B, नो. यहाँ के जो साउंड है वो साइलेंट है. यहाँ के क्या है? साइलेंट है. इसमें के की साउंड नहीं आएगी. सिर्फ क्या बोलेंगे हम? न, ओ, नो. के एन. जब भी के और एन वर्ड होता है, जब जॉइंटली आता है, इकट्ठा आता है, तो हम उसमें के की साउंड क्या करते हैं? साइलेंट करते हैं. उसमें के की साउंड नहीं आती है, सिर्फ एन की साउंड आती है. तो हम इसको कैसे बोलेंगे? के एन ओ बी, नो. न, ओ, नो. नो मीन्स a round machine, a round type of handle which we use to open or close the door. एक राउंड सा हैंडल होता है जिसको हम लोग डोर को ओपन या क्लोज करने के लिए यूज करते हैं. यस. K-N-O-B, knob. Knob is a round handle which we use to open or close the door. Okay. Here are two or three sentences which we have to complete. Okay. So read the first sentence. H-O-L-D, hold. H-O-L-D, hold. E-H-E, the, hold the. Now we have to see the picture. What is this? This is a picture of knob. This is a picture of knob. And what is the spelling of knob? You can see here. Yes, this is a spelling of knob. K-N-O-B, knob. K-N-O-B, knob. Here is our second sentence. D-O, do, N-O-T, not. Do not. Now we have to see the picture. What is this? This boy is crying. And what is the proper word of crying? That is soap. That is soap. Look here. Here is the spelling of soap. S-O-B, soap. So we have to write here the spelling of soap. S-O-B, soap. Next, eat, and see the picture. What is this? This is a picture of coke. Coke means chali. And what is the spelling of coke? Ka, o, coke. Ka means C, O, O, B, O. Yes. Now our sentence is complete. Eat a coke. Let's revise once again. Yes. Here is our first word. That is C-O-B, coke. Next word is M-O-E, mobile, and is O-E, soap. Is our second page, and this is our. In this page, we have to read the sound of OG, og. Sound of OG, og. And here is our first word, D-O-G, dog. D-O-G, dog. Dog, dog. Okay. Dog means your pet dog means kutta. Next word is F-O-G, fog. F-O-G, fog. And you can see the fog in the winter season. Yes, that is fog. That is fog. And here is our next word, J-O-G, jog. J-O-G, jog. Jog means jogging करना. Means morning walk. सब बच्चे जाते हैं ना मॉर्निंग वॉक पे, बड़े भी जाते हैं. जॉग का मीनिंग क्या होता है?
मैम कौन सा पेज नंबर है?
यस, जॉग मीन्स जॉगिंग करना. मीन्स दिस इज अ टाइप ऑफ एक्सरसाइज. नेक्स्ट वर्ड इज
मैम
L,
कौन सा पेज नंबर है?
पेज नंबर 49. And next word is L-O-G, log. Log means a thick part of tree. A thick part of tree. पार्ट होता है कटा हुआ मोटा सा. We have to complete. Yes, here is the first word. Now we have to read these sentences. P-I-C-K, pick. P-I-C-K, pick. U-P, up. Pick up. T-H-E, the. Pick up the. Now we have to see the picture. What is this? This is a picture of log. This is a picture of log. Yes. And what is the spelling of log? Log, la, og, log. Means, la means L. Og, O-G, og. Log. Yes. Here is our complete sentence. Pick up the log. Pick up the log. Here is our next sentence. Geo, go. A-N-D, and. Go and dash. And picture, what is this? This is, this boy is doing jogging. This boy is jogging. And what is the spelling of jog? J, og, jog. J means J. Og, og. Jog. J-O-G, jog. Jog is a type of exercise. Okay. Here is our next and last sentence of this page. Let's read this. J-O, jo. J-O, jo. Jo, jo. Jojo. I-S is. M-Y, my. Jojo is my. What is this? This is a type of dog. Jojo कौन है? Dog है. Yes. Now we have to write down the spelling of dog. Dog means D-O-G, D-O-G, dog. Now see our sentence. Now Jojo is my dog. Jojo, my dog. So we have to revise once again. Our first word is D-O-G, dog.
D-O-G, dog.
Dog का मीनिंग आप लोगों को पता है, ये होता है आपका पेट, मीन्स आपका डॉगी, मतलब आपका कुत्ता. नेक्स्ट वर्ड इज F-O-G, फोक. फोक क्या होता है?
O-G,
आप लोग ऑज देखते हो ना, मीन्स कोहरा होता है जो आप लोगों को कब दिखता है? विंटर सीजन के अंदर. ठीक है जी, धुंध होती है ना जब आप रास्ते में आते हो विंटर में, उसको बोलते हैं फोक. नेक्स्ट वर्ड इज J-O-G, जॉग. जॉग मीन्स जॉगिंग करना, मतलब मॉर्निंग वॉक. Jog is a type of exercise. Okay. Next word is L-O-G, log. Log means a part of tree. मतलब ट्री का एक मोटा सा पार्ट. ठीक है. और नेक्स्ट वर्ड क्या होता है? F-R-O-G, frog. Frog. Frog means मेंढक. Frog means मेंढक. Yes. Let's read our next page. In this page, we have to read the words related to OP, OP sound. OP, OP sound. Here is our first word. C-O-P, hope. C-O-P, hope. Ka? Hope, hope. Hope means police officer. Hope means police officer. Okay. Our next word is H-O-P, hope. H-O-P, hope. H-O, hope. Hope means jump करना. Hope means क्या होता है? Jump करना. Next word is M-O-P, mop. Mop means पोचा. Mop means क्या होता है? पोचा. Next P-O-P, pop. P-O-P, pop. Pop means a loud sound. Pop क्या होता है? ब्रस्ट करने की एक लाउड साउंड. मतलब जब हम लोग गुब्बारे को कहते हैं, गुब्बारे को तोड़ते हैं या गुब्बारे को ब्रस्ट करते हैं तो उसकी आवाज आती है, उसको क्या बोलते हैं? उस आवाज को क्या बोलते हैं? पॉप. नेक्स्ट वर्ड इज T-O-P, टॉप. T-O-P, टॉप. टॉप मीन्स लट्टू. Top means lattu. This is a type of toy. This is a type of, ये टॉय होते हैं जैसे बच्चे खेलते हैं और उसको नाम क्या होता है? T-O-P, टॉप. नेक्स्ट वर्ड इज S-T-O-P, stop. S-T-O-P, stop. Stop means क्या होता है? रुको. Stop means रुको. Okay. Now we have to complete the sentences. So let read these sentences first. Here is our first sentence. C-A-L-L, call. C-A-L-L, call. T-H-E, the. Call the dash. And here is a picture of police officer. And what we have to say, police officer, that is cop. C-O-P, cop. So we have to write down the spelling of cop here. Cop means ka, op, cop. Ka means C. O-P, op. Cop. Okay. C-O-P, cop. Our next phrase is R-E-D, red. L-I-G-H-T, light. S-A-Y, says. Red light says. When we move on the road, you can see the traffic light there. जब हम रोड पे मूव करते हैं वहां पे आप लोगों ने सबने ट्रैफिक लाइट देखी होगी. वहां उस लाइट के सबसे ऊपर कौन सी लाइट होती है? रेड लाइट. एंड रेड लाइट से स्टॉप. रेड लाइट क्या बोलती है? स्टॉप. यस. नाउ वी हैव टू राइट द स्पेलिंग ऑफ स्टॉप here. Stop. S P O P stop. Okay. Now our sentence is complete. Let's revise once again. COP cop. HOP hop. MOP mop. POP pop. POP top. Okay. Yes, dear students, you also revise all these three pages. Number 48, page number 49, and page number 50. Okay. Yes, in today's class, our second topic is opposite word. Opposite word. Page number 77. Page number 77. Let's revise opposite words. Opposite words. Here is our first word,
UP up.
H-O-T, hot.
Hot.
H-O-T, hot. Hot. And what is the opposite word of hot? That is cold. C-O-L-D, cold. Hot, cold. Hot, cold. Hot means garam. Hot
HOT.
means
Hot.
garam. And cold means
Garam.
thanda. Cold means thanda. Yes. H-O-T, hot.
HOT. Hot.
C-O-L-D, cold.
COLD.
Our next word is
UP
UP, up. UP,
up. Up.
and what is the opposite word of up? That is down.
DOW and down.
D-O-W and down. D-O-W and down. Up, down. Up, down. Up, down. Up means ऊपर जाना. Down means नीचे आना. Up means ऊपर जाना. Down means नीचे आना. Next word, that is W-E-T, wet. W-E-T, wet. And the opposite word of wet is dry. Dry. D-R-Y. Dry. Wet, dry. Wet, dry. Wet, dry. Wet का meaning गीला. Dry का meaning
सूखा.
wet,
गीला सूखा.
dry. Wet, dry. Next word is H-A-P-P-Y.
Happy.
H-A-P-P-Y. Happy. And the opposite word of happy is sad. S-A-D. Sad. Happy. Sad. Happy. Sad. Happy. Sad. Happy means खुश होना. Sad means उदास होना. Yes. Happy means खुश होना. Sad means उदास होना. Happy, sad. Happy, sad. Our next word is I-N, in. And opposite of in is
O-U-T. Out.
in,
O-U-T.
in, out. In, out means bahar. Andar, out means bahar. In, out. Our last word is F-A-T, fat. F-A-T, fat. And the opposite word of fat is T-H-I-N, thin. T-H-I-N, thin. Fat, thin. Fat, thin. Fat, thin. Fat means mota.
मोटा. पतला. मोटा. पतला.
Mota. Thin, patla. Yes.
Patla.
Let's revise once again. H-O-T, hot. C-O-L-D,
C-O-L-D, cold. U-P, up.
P, up. D-O-W, down.
W-E-T,
W, wet, dry. Happy, sad. Happy, sad. HAPPY, happy. SAD, sad. IN, in. OUT, out.
Out.
Out. In,
In.
out.
Out.
FAT,
In.
fat.
FAT. Fat.
THIN,
Italian. Thin.
thin.
Mota.
Fat, thin. Yes, dear students. Now
Okay.
we will revise our poem. I'm a little snowman. Yes, let's start. I'm a little snowman, short and fat. Here is my scarf, and here is my hat. When it's cold and snowy, I will stay. But when it gets, I melt away. Let's revise once again.
Was side the earth again.
Yes. When it's it, but when it's get hot, I melt away. Okay. Our next poem is number rhyme. Our next poem is number rhyme. Let's revise. One, buckle my shoe. Three, shut the door. 5, 6, sticks. 7, let
Nine. Then
9, a big fat hen. Let's revise once again. One, buckle my shoe. 3, 4, shut the door. 5, 6, pick up sticks. 7, 8, let them stay. 9, 10, a big fat hen. A big fat hen. Yes. Today's homework is
Okay, ma'am.
you have to revise sound of O, page number 48, 49, and 50. After that, you have to revise opposite words and poems, number rhymes, and I'm a little snowman. Okay? आज आपको क्या क्या करना है आपको पता लग गया? आज आपको टू लर्न करनी है, ऑपोजिट वर्ड्स लर्न करने हैं और साउंड ऑफ ओ के पेज नंबर 48, 49 एंड 50 रिवाइज करना है. ओके बच्चे? ओके ओके बेबी, बाय.
Bye, man. Bye, man.